Good morning, children. We are discussing the first chapter of social studies, the universe. In my previous lecture, we have discussed 4 planets. Now today we will start from Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun. It is the largest gas planet whose rapid rotation causes the planet to flatten at the poles and bulge at the equator. The other informations about the Jupiter is given in this facts about Jupiter in this table. The distance from the Sun is 778.5 million kilometer. Revolution period is 11.86 Earth years. That means our Earth year is about 365 days. So the Jupiter revolution period is about 12 Earth years. Rotation period is 10 hours and the distance from equator is 139,822 kilometer. Gravitational force is about 2.4 times more than the Earth gravity. Then comes Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. It is the second largest planet with an atmosphere composed of hydrogen and helium. The informations about Saturn is given in the table. From the Sun, the distance is 1.434 billion kilometers. Revolution period is 29.7 Earth years. Rotation period is 10 hours 14 minutes. And the distance from equator is 116,464 kilometer. Gravitational force is 1 time more than the Earth's gravity. Now come Uranus. Is the 7th planet from the Sun. It may have an ocean of water beneath its cloud. It has a large rocky core and because of tremendous pressure could possibly contain trillions of large diamonds. Uranus is almost identical to the planet Neptune. And the facts about Uranus is distance from the Sun is 2.9 billion kilometer. Revolution period is 84 Earth years. Rotation period is 17 hours 14 minutes. Distance from the equator is 50,724 kilometer and gravitational pull is 1.1 times less than the Earth gravity. Then comes Neptune, is the 8th and farthest planet from the Sun in the solar system. It has a layer of liquid hydrogen while the atmosphere is a combination of ammonia, helium and methane. It is in the upper atmosphere. Methane freezes and forms a cloud which moves a shadow on the clouds. Below Neptune has large dark ovals on its surface. Now facts about Neptune. Distance from the Sun is 4.495 billion kilometer. Revolution period 165 Earth years. Rotation period 16.11 hours. And distance from the equator is 49,244 kilometers. Now we will discuss the last planet, that is Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet in the solar system. Dwarf means very small. It is so small that many scientists doesn't consider it as a planet at all. You can see in the diagram, it is the last planet is Pluto. Pluto atmosphere appeared to extend out to include Charon, which suggests that they may share an atmosphere. Pluto has 5 moons. Now the facts about Pluto, the distance from the Sun is 4.4 billion kilometer. revolution period is 248 Earth years, rotation is 6.39 Earth days, distance from equator 2377 kilometers, gravitational force is 15.8 times less than the Earth gravity. So students, we have finished this chapter number 1, the universe. Inshallah, we will start your next chapter in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz, goodbye.